Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, the 1 hour time frame is definitely down, as you can see, but the monthly is up, the weekly is up, and the daily is up. So anything we see to the downside on the 1 hour, we kind of need to assume is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend from the higher time frames. To me, just like the euro yen analysis, I think this is possibly like a five-wave move for wave A. This to me looks like one, two, three waves up for a possible wave B. I think we're in a wave C right now. So if we get like a break of structure to the upside, whether it's a higher low than the wave A and then like that, or whether it decides to make a lower low, like most wave C's do, like this, compared to the wave A, I don't really care whether it makes a higher low or a lower low because I should be able to recognize the low high, low high, low higher than the break of structure that would tell me that the ABC correction is likely over and that we're likely back into the higher time frame uptrend. So for me, as more of a 1 hour time frame trader and up, I'm definitely waiting for the long. If you are a scalper, then you probably could get some shorts out of it. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.